Hi guys, so my avatar world is back now. Then this is what she look like, and I'm gonna make a new character in avatar world, and I'm gonna live in that mansion now. Cause my avatar world, I don't know, but my avatar world is back again, which is deleted and deleted, and I do it back. I'm so mad for that. Then I'm gonna go to the mansion. Then I do it so long that I see a new update. I'm gonna update that later, and I'm gonna video what is I update later. But first, I'm gonna make a character like that. Cause I want a character like me earlier, so I'm gonna make it again my character, which is I only love my characters about that, but I forget what is her face. Let me take a look in the YouTube, guys. So I'm gonna take a look in the YouTube what is my character face and avatar world. I very forget about it, but first let's take a look. What is that? Where's that? Yeah, let's go. Wait, what's no connection? Ah, stupid. I'm gonna take a look for this her eyes. What is my eyes? I probably forgot, but wait, I'm gonna do it again. And let me take a look. What is her eyes? Alright, guys. Her eyes, her here. I don't wanna do it again. Then I don't know what Mommy, open the door. The door is closed. Do it again. Then yes, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut it, guys. Then I'm gonna video again. So I make all the character, which is this is the mother, and this is the father, and this is the daughter. Yep. But first, I'm gonna open the gift for the long of distance. I'm gonna open the gift for the girl room because I don't want to play this old chins, but I will take this. Then let's pop it. I'm gonna show you how can I go fix the room, and please don't copy, which is what I do it. You can copy, but not all. But you can copy if you wanted to. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm a little bush. But let me put this, and this is close. What is that area, right? Guys, can you help me? How can I fix it? But this is so many. My little sister making a story, but I love all what I have and this, and I'm gonna put this like a princess. Just kidding. I don't want a princess. I just want normal life house. Why I live in a mansion, right? Right? Am I right? But first, let's decorate my home. If you want to join in my server, you can join. That all you want to do is follow, subscribe only, then you can join now. You can click the button, then I will make you subscribe. I hope I can do that over. But first, let's decorate the things in here, because I don't know what's this name. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. Let me decorate this. I'm gonna make this magic. Look for wait a minute. So this is my magic. Then I'm done to decorate this. Then the second, I'm gonna decorate some number 2. which is I want to do it for you. Let's decorate it now. I'm gonna do it magic again. Then guys, tapos na din tong kwarto ng mga mama at papa. I'm gonna put them father in here while sleeping. Yan. Listen tayo sa number 1. Come back sa part 2 na guys kasi medyo mahaba na. Bye-bye!